Hello, we're back again. All right, now it's time to do our problem set. I see lots of number bonds and lots of pictures of things that I know many children in my class like. All right, friends, let's start with what we always do. We write our name, Miss Kelly, and the date. Today is March, so we write a 3, 14th, -14, 2019-19. All right, let's look and see what we've got to do today. It says write numbers to fill in the number bonds. Okay, let's look at the first number bond. I see in this number bond here the number 2, and it's not in the whole, it's in one of the parts. But I also see a picture of 2 jumping cats. I bet you that 2 represents those 2 jumping cats. What's the other part of those cats? That would be the 3 sitting cats. So we're going to put the other part in the other side of the number bond. Now I have both parts, 2 jumping cats and 3 sitting cats. But what's the whole? How many cats are there all together? 5. You're right, there's 5. So we're going to put the 5 in the whole. All right, let's go to the next box with the cats. Uh-oh, this time they all look the same. I'm gonna have to separate these cats myself. Let me see how I can make 2 groups of cats. What if I circle this group? Now I have 2 groups of cats. I know there are still 5 cats in all. That's why 5 is in the whole. But I now know that one part of my cats is 4, and another part of my cats is 1, because there are 4 cats circled and 1 cat that's not circled. So now I know 4 and 1 make 5. All right, let's go down to my apples. Oh my goodness, these apples, someone has eaten some of them. How could I fill out my number bond this time? Well, I see that there are 3 apples all together. So where could I put the 3 apples? The whole. So we're going to put 3 in the whole position in the number bond. And now I need to separate my apples into 2 parts. Well, I want all of my apples that have been eaten to be 1 part. How many apples have been eaten? 2. So that's going to be 1 part. And all my apples that are still whole will be the other part. How many apples have not been eaten? 1. Now I have all my pieces to my number bond complete. And I know that 2 and 1 make 3. All right, last problem of the day. We see some apples. How many apples do we see all together? I see 4, so I'm going to put 4 in my whole. How many apples, let's see, could I put in each part? Well, I'm just going to separate again. Let's make 2 groups with a circle. Some apples are circled, some apples are not. How many apples are circled? 2. So we're going to put 2 in 1 part. How many apples are not circled? 2. So we're going to put 2 in the other part. Now we know that 2 and 2 make 4. All right, friends, it's your turn. You're going to go to your desk and you're going to fill out the problem set just like we did here. And if you finish early, just like always, you're going to turn it in and you're going to go read a book quietly on your own in the library area until Miss Pamela tells you it's time to stop. I know you guys are going to do a great job. I love you very much, and I will see you soon. Bye.